ininom nyo, mawawala rin appetite nyo sa pagkain. Okay? Ang magaganda po dyan, right now po, I'm very proud to tell you, I'm 32 years old, I have 2 kids and 1 wife. Tama? And good news po dyan, medyo pagpasensya, pero kahit pa paano, wala pa rin akong shine because of this fiber rich. Palakpakan nyo naman po yun. Alright? So, sabihin natin, ano pa meron tayo? We have Performax. We have Performax. Performax is for women. Ha? Women, sabi, anti-aging supplements for men. How come pa rin pang babae yan? Kasi po, ang inom lalaki lang. Pero ang benefit po sa babae. Okay? So in short, ang inom lalaki, ang matutuwa ay babae. Okay ba yan? Di ba? So therefore, hindi siya pa lalaki. Am I right? Okay? So dahil pag ininom ni Mr. Yan, he can now perform to the max. Ano ginagawa yan? Pwede, pwede. Ay, nako. Diba? Alam nyo, I still remember the first time na meron in-invite, sabi nung babae, ano ba ito pinagsasama mo sa akin? Hindi totoo, hindi totoo. Eh, napakita. Alam niyo, binili niya? Sabi, mami, tanong kayo, magkano performance? And after that, grabe, ang daming invite niya nung babae na yun. Alam ko, ano invite niya pag nakikita niya? Right? So, maganda ko dito, di ba? Yan, ano ba yun? Balik na natin muna sa saglit. Yan. Ano ba ginagawa? It promotes vascular strength, di ba? At the same time po, skin, male sex organs, muscles, brain, bone marrow, and ang maganda na it enhances your testosterone level, natural production of your testosterone. Is that good? Yes. Aside from the supplements, we have also beverages. We have, for the kids, Choco-Oli. And we have also yung rich in fiber, which is yung tinatawag corn beverage. And as a Filipino, we are coffee lover. Did you know the number 1 consumable products in the entire world is? No, it's gasoline. But next to gasoline is coffee. Dahil pumunta sa mayamang bayan, anong alam sa'yo? Di ba? Oh, gee, you're here pala. You want coffee? Social. Mga taga-lalabang yan. Pag pumunta sa tundo, andito ka pala, gusto mo kape. Gutom pa ako. Kain tayo. Ano wala po? Kape. O, di ba? Alright? So, kailangan po, meron tayong coffee. And we have also Recharge. Ano ba yung Recharge? Recharge is a herbal drink mix which contains 7 of nature's most potent source of antioxidant. Ano meron siya o dyan? Meron siya pang prevent po ng tinatawag natin yung mga hindi na migraine ka, yung mga pain reliever, analgesic, meron po siyang effect na yan. Doon sa tinatawag natin mangosteen. Meron din tayo tinatawag na Cranberries that prevents UTI para sa babae. And at the same time, it cleanses your kidney. At meron tayo tinatawag Silimarin, promotes your liver cells. At ang babae, pag tumungtong ng 30 years old, if they reach 30 years old, prone sila sa isang sakit. Ano sakit? Osteoporosis. By taking Recharge, which is kasama po yung barley grass, 11 times better than cow's milk po yan. And we have also blueberry pomegranate. Proven and tested na, by eating or drinking pomegranate juice at age of 40 ang lalaki, prone siya sa isang sakit. Prostate cancer. Gusto yung mga prostate cancer? No. Oh, you should take Recharge. Sabi ng babae, swerte, bakit wala kang prostate? Wala kang prostate, meron ka naman? Breast. So pag may breast ka, prone ka rin sa breast cancer. Ang maganda po dito, by drinking Recharge, ang breast at prostate cancer hindi na magkakaroon. Manuman po ba yan? Yes. Okay? Aside from this one, we have Goji Berry, pampahaba ng buhay. Now, question. Sir G, how much is that? Pag binili nyo yan, pinakombine nyo yan, it will cost you 800 dirhams. Mahal mura? Mahal mura? 800 dirhams. Mahal mura? Mahal. Mahal. But the good news is, Recharge is for only 55 dirhams. Yes. Wala ko palang pa ko dyan? Okay? Ang kaya nyo timplahin po doon, mga 3 to 4 liters. Kung di kayo particular sa lasa, 3 to 4 liters pwede po. Di follow? Yeah. Are you excited? Yes. Okay, so syempre, maliban sa pampabuti, pampalakas, may pampa-beauty. Karapatan ba ng mga babae maging maganda? Yes. Sexy? Yes. Bata? Yes. Maputi? Okay. Ang problema, Sir G, mahal. Okay? Not anymore. Why? Because we have world-class quality products that are very, 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 very affordable. Ano po yung mga yan? We have anti-aging soap. Sabi mo natin, anti-aging soap. Anti-aging soap. Ano yun po, dapat you have to take good care of yourself. Not just maputi ka, dapat bata rin tsura mo. Mahal sila magpabata? Yes, but that was before, not anymore. Kasi meron kaming Royal L-Gluta Power Anti-Aging Soap. And we have also yung tinatawag whitening na soap, which is Gluta and Goji. Guys, for those people that they came here for the first time, I suggest, please do buy our soap. Why? Because after using our soap, for the first time in your life, you will say, yes, indeed. naligo na talaga ako. Or for the first time in my life, nakaligo na talaga ako. Why? Iba po ang experience pag ginamit mo ito. Ako po, I've been to Europe. I've never used their soap. Why? Kasi iba talaga yung sabon na ginagamit ko. Okay? Magkano yan? Very affordable. Yung ating tinatawag na L-Gluta Power Anti-Aging. So, how much?
31.
31. Eh, yung ating mga tinatawag na Kojic and Gluta, how much?
25.
Ma'am and sir, 4,000 pieces in 4 days. Kalas. Naubos po. I don't know anong ginawa ng mga Pilipino dito tsaka ibang lahi. Baka pinalaman sa sabon, kinalso sa sasakyan. Hindi ko alam. Bakit? Basta yung 4,000 in 4 days, ubos. Ganun po ka-in-demand. Okay ba yung negosyo namin?
Yes.
Hindi man may produkto natin?
Yes.
Ultimo ibang lahi po talagang ginagamit yung products natin. We have also toner that you have to use after taking a bath. Why? Kasi binabalik niya po yung skin tone. At the same time po, tinatanggal niya po yung tinatawag na residue ng sabon. Di ba, no? Yes. And we have also yung pinkish glow toner sa mga bata naman, mga 30 years old pababa. Maganda po itong gamitin dito. Napapansin nyo, you're still young pero may lumalabas na brown spot sa mukha nyo. That's what you call melasma. Bakit? Kasi wala kang sunscreen protection. Ang maganda dito, nagpipink ka na, may protection ka pa sa araw. Di ba, Lord? Yes, alright? And we have also whitening, which is good do sa mga tao may melasma na. At anti-aging, pantanggal na wrinkles at freckles. At we have also lotion, deodorant, Kisener, and at the same time po, we have lipstick. Ang lipstick namin, organic base siya. Pansinin niyo, ang prone sa colon cancer, babae lalaki. Why? Kasi ang babae, lagi
Lipstick.
So pag uminom, ano yung inumin? Lipstick. Pag kumain na nakakain, lipstick. Eh paano inorganic yan? So lahat ng toxins na pupunta sa tiyan. Kaya prone sila sa sakit na colon cancer. Di follow? So ano maganda sa amin? It is a natural, which is organic based po siya. It comes with vitamin E, with sunscreen protection, meron siyang grapeseed extract, and at the same time po, it comes with shea butter. Ano ibig sabihin nun? The more na ginagamit siya, pabata yung labi nyo. Meaning to say, if you're 80, you take yung, so you're using yung lipstick namin, ang maganda dito, kahit 80 ka na, 18 pa rin yung labi mo. Pwede?
Yes.
If yung buong mukha mo gustong bumata 18, simple lang po, lipstickin niyo po yung buong mukha niyo. Alright? Masyado kayo seryoso. Alright? Okay? So, is it good?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, maganda ba yan? Yan, hindi lang maganda. Super ganda. At the same time po, by the way, we have a catalog, we call it Royal Experience. Okay, medyo nawala ako na hindi ko lang nadala. Royal Experience for those people that use the products and they're telling how good is the products. Do you follow? So instead just, yan, okay. We have a catalog here. Ito po, what is the products? Okay, the other one is Royal Experience. Please do buy Royal Experience. Ano yung Royal Experience? For those people, after using the products, ano yung mga effect na nangyari sa kanila? Some of them, there is a disease na tinatawag na yung kumakapal po yung anit mo, ano kasi tawag ko doon? Psoriasis. Na hindi magamot ng doktor. Alam niyo ano sikreto po doon? Para mawala yung psoriasis nyo caused by stress, take Royal Grapeseed, combine it with L-Glutathione. Simple as that. Even doctors are amazed with the products that we have. Parapan nyo naman po yun. Okay? Okay? So sabi na ako, napakaganda, hindi na maganda. Super ganda yan because super brands po lahat ng brands. 80 countries are recognizing our products. Dati pag sinabing gawang Pilipino, ang sasabihin nila, hindi maganda yan, pwede na yan. Tama mali?
Tama.
But that was before. Not anymore. Why? Try to imagine, sabon pa lang ma'am, sabon pa lang sir. Ma'am, packaging pa lang, ulam na. Tama? Nanalo na po kami sa US and sa tinatawag ng Europe. Alright? Sabon pa lang, napakaganda na. Tapos na panahon, pag sinabing Pilipino, pwede na yan. Okay na yan. Tsagay mo na. Dahil pag sinabi ngayon, gawa ng Pilipino yan, world class yata yan! Palakpakan na yun! Alright? Are you excited about that? Yes! Alright, so tuloy-tuloy natin. Sir Jim, maganda yung produkto, gusto ko sana gamitin. Diba? Tanong, kung gagamit kayo, saan yung gustong bumili? Saan mura?
Mura.
Mura mas mura.
Mura.
Mas mura libre. Libre. Yan, dalawa lang po ang gusto ng Pilipino. Hindi makamura, makalibre. Tama? The good news is, gusto mo makamura?
Yes.
Makalibre?
Yes.
All you have to do is to become a smart consumer. How to become a smart consumer? Become an independent distributor. How to become an independent distributor? Attend the presentation, which is this one. I'm very thankful po na umattend po kayo despite po medyo pagod kayo. And second, fill up the form. Then third, choose your package. Bibili lang po kayo ng package. Pag sinabing package, may naman wala.
Meron.
Pag sinabing package, ano nasa inyo? Balikbayan?
Box.
Guys, ano ang nasa loob ng package? First, the next time, yeah, we call it Super King Package, Super not King pa. bibigyan po namin kayo ng products because we believe in order for you to become a good pusher, you have to become a
User.
user. Kami right?
Yes.
Ang hirap naman po yata, nagbibenta ako din, nag-aalok ako sa inyo ng mga products na maganda. Tapos imam, tinitignan ako, hindi lang ma'am, di ba? Nakakaputi daw. Nakakaputi daw. Walang sinyalis ha, walang bakit. Di ba? Nakakaputi yan, oh. Gamitin mo! Di ba? Eh, Pilipino pa naman, mga sigurista. Tama mali! So, ang maganda po dito, bibigyan namin kayo ng products. Once you bought the package, we're going to give you a products. How much? Okay? Ano kasama dyan? Meron ang glutathione and we have also pinkish glow. Plus, meron ang 44 Royal Beauty Soap. Bahala ka na sa combination. Magkano po yung halaga? That's 1,944 dirhams. And if you don't want this, we have option B. What is option B? Option B is for those people that are health conscious, so yung tinatawag natin, they want to slim down. Okay? Medyo malaki sila, gusto nila lumit. Meron tayong spirulina. How much is that? And we have siya tinatawag 9 Royal Beauty Soaps. How much is that? That's about 2,007 dirhams. Do you follow?
Yes.
Okay? Aside from this one, we have option C, pampamilya package. Lahat po nando, wala lang performance. At the price of 1,954 dirhams. We have also option D, spirulina and Prime. Okay, magkano naman po yung halaga niyan? Option D, that's 2,091 dirhams. And sa mga taong ikakasal na, o iniwan ng boyfriend, o gustong magka-boyfriend, simple lang po. Option E, vanity package. Ano po yung kasama niyan? Meron kang 4 bottles of gluta or pinkish glow, tigalawa, 24 Royal Beauty Soaps, and meron kang tigagala lotion, deodorant, anti-aging, toner, and we have also yung tinatawag po natin cream. How much is that? 1,954 dirhams. Aside from this one, the next time you buy a products, bibigyan pa namin yung mga tinatawag natin package inclusion, lifetime product discount, online facilities which is you can monitor your business online just like Facebook. Okay? Sa Facebook, ang nakikita mo friends mo, ano gusto mo nakita mo? Friends mo, pera mo. Pera. Huli pera. Ang bilis na huli. Mga mukhang? Hindi naman pera. Business naman. Diba? Okay? So ano pa kasama? Distributors ID, which is every time you present it, you can get a discount. And marketing tools. Ma'am, can I borrow your catalog first? Ma'am, can I borrow your catalog? Yan, okay? Sino po dito, who among you here doesn't know how to sell? Hindi mo naman magbenta-benta, tapos sa kamay. Okay? I beg to disagree. We, as a Filipino, we are not your board salesman. Am I right? Saan po ba pinakamaraming call center sa buong mundo?
Pilipinas.
Philippines. Why? Because Filipino are not your board salesman. In Tagalog, chismoso at chismosa. Di ba? Mahilig magkwento pero walang subukan nyo ganito. Pagpasok nyo sa opisina tomorrow, dalhin nyo, di ka magaling magbenta, tip. Mainit. Ang init to. Uy, kumusta ka na? Mapapansin hindi.
Papansin.
Mag-doorbell ka sa kaibigan mo, ting dong, ting dong. Di ba pag-silip niya? Mapapansin hindi.
Papansin.
Magdi-deposit ka ng pera mo sa bangko or sa sa Alansari, di ba? Or sa Western Union. Anong gawin mo? Lagay mo dyan. Lagay mo ganun. Pag merong gagano ka, tapos kunin mo yung pera mo. Mapapansin hindi. Guys, yun lang po ang move mo. Di ba? O kaya magdi-dinner ka. After mag-dinner, tawagin mo yung manager. I enjoy my dinner a lot. You know, your food is really good. By the way, I sell products like this.